Jeff Baker here with Seabreeze Computers. A rumor started on November 19th, 2025 that Google automatically turned on smart features in Gmail, and this allows it to use your content to train AI models. So are the rumors true? In this tutorial, we'll look at what Google has to say, and then we'll look at what options you have in settings. If you want to turn smart features off in Gmail or read what Google has to say about whether smart features uses your data to train AI models, then do the following in Gmail. Go to Settings, then See All Settings, then General. Do a search for Smart and look for Smart Features. Scroll down to Smart Features there. It says Turn on Smart Features in Gmail, Chat, and Meet. When you turn this setting on, you agree to let Gmail, Chat, and Meet use your content and activity in these products to provide smart features and personalize your experience. So there it doesn't specifically say that your data is used to train AI models. And then you can also see there Google Workspace smart features. It says choose to personalize your experience with smart features across Workspace and other Google products. Workspace includes Google Apps for businesses and school, such as Gmail, Chat, Meet, and Drive. And there's a Learn More button. There's also the button Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. So you click on that, and then you can turn off the two buttons to make sure that it doesn't use smart features in Workspace. Back on the other page, you can uncheck smart features there. When you click on the Learn More button, it takes you to this URL with 15604.322. Learn about smart features and controls for Google Workspace and other Google products. And you scroll down to Smart Features in Gmail, Chat, and Meet. It says, even if you turn off smart features in Gmail, Chat, and Meet, some smart features with individual on and off settings are still available. These features don't use opted-out user data to improve the models that power them. In my opinion, this sentence is vague and out of context. Where do you opt out? And if you didn't opt out, then is your data used to improve models? And does improve mean the same thing as train? Now, if you go down to learn how smart features use your Google Workspace content and activity, it says when smart features are on, your data may be used to improve these features. Across Google and Workspace, we've long shared robust privacy commitments that outline how we protect user data and prioritize privacy. So you can click on the Learn How. That takes you to another URL of Google support, 146.151.1.4. Learn how Gemini in Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Docs, Drive, Sheets, Slides, Meet, and Vids protects your data. And there's a part that says our privacy commitments to all Workspace users. It says your data stays in Workspace. We do not use your Workspace data to train or improve the underlying generative AI and large language models that power Gemini, Search, and other systems outside of Workspace without permission. My question is, where do you give permission or take away permission? Then this other section says, important. If you're a Workspace user with a personal account and you choose to share data, including Workspace data with Gemini apps, through screen actions, including screenshots, this data will be processed according to the Gemini app's terms and policies and may be used for model training and improvement. Learn more in the Gemini app's Privacy Hub. So according to this, screen actions, including screenshots, PDFs, and URLs from your screen, can be used to train AI models. Another section, specific commitments for Gemini and Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Docs, Drive, Slides, Sheets, Meet, and Vids. Under that it says for users with Google AI plans, Gemini in Gmail, Calendar, Chat, Docs, Drive, Slides, Sheets, Meet, and Vids uses your content in Google Workspace to provide more useful responses to your prompts and doesn't use your content to train or improve Gemini or other generative AI models. Well, so there you go. A lot of different statements from Google about this. What's your opinion? Let us know in the comments.